In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the data analytics tool in the VDM. To get started, let's pick a trial group and select Analytics. Analytics always defaults to the latest selected trial year or the current trial year if none was previously selected. Here we already have 2018 selected. The next step is to determine what data fields we want to use. Let's select a few. Medius VDM supports two different methods of analysis. First is quartile. You can hover over the box plot icon to get a description. The second method is standard deviation. Again, if you hover over the standard deviation curve icon, you can see the description as well. You will notice that various values are colored. These colors represent the minimum, below average, above average, and maximum values found in the dataset. You'll notice for specific gravity that red indicates minimum, whereas green indicates maximum. However, when you select defect internal, the colors are flipped to where green is minimum and red is maximum. This is to help indicate the acceptability of the values. To get more out of analytics, go to Analytics Settings in the top right. The first thing we're going to add are z-scores. A z-score is the number of standard deviations that a value is from the mean. This is handy for understanding a value's relationship to all other values in the set. Z-scores are automatically calculated for all values, so it's not necessary to turn them on to use them unless you want to view each individual value. Next, we can add a 3-year score average to our data table. This can be beneficial to viewing how a variety has performed over a 3-year span. The last tab you see in the table is total score averages. These values are the average of the positive representation of each data field's z-score. So for example, with yield number 1, the greater the value, the more positive, but with defects, the lower the value, the more positive. These total score values averages are a great way to see a variety's performance across multiple data fields as they relate to the other varieties in the data set. The last option you have left is you can turn on a chart that graphs out the currently selected data field z-score across multiple years. And that's an overview of how to use trial analytics. Check out mediusag.com for more support videos.